Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasni. Ka Shillong Cricket Association SCA kalapin na pat ba ay kalit PA Sangma Memorial T20 Tournament ka jingele kai cricket ka bon pelong ban ken mau puram yu nong yalam berim uba pau ke jela ulit porno agitok Sangma ya gani ka tournament on pelong ha Shillong Cricket Ground Polo Shillong. Habakran shikilat pathai khubor hakan riutrik ulber utrai shiro ka SCA ba ma kibla ulong bagani ka limpung jingele kai kalong shibenta ban kentiu ya ka jingele kai cricket ha Shillong Barban ailat iki samla nong yele kai bakin pin I yela ka sam. Ulong ru baka SCE ka kanman baling ba ka ni ka tournament on la ban kringi ka jing kershan ni pat ba bat pin roi ka jing yele kai cricket ha ka nong ba Shillong bat ha ka jilla Meghalaya hi paro ka we. Kat kum ka jing thu jong ba ma ki bla at photli ki kin hun kini shimbanta ha kini ka limpung ha ka bakat pratli ki kin hun kin wana Shillong bat artli ki kin hun na Assam ka ba pin I ka jing shimbanta ka ba kham he bat ka jing trai lang hap deng ki jilla. Hagani ka program o President ka Meghalaya Cricket Association MCA ba James K. Sangma ula penpau baka yeng ka sem jung uliet porno Sangma kanong kershan sponsor jung ka tournament. Kat ba ka benta jung ka marketing ba ka jing bet jung ka event on pet da ka Prithvi Events and Sport hapo ka jing lam jung u Rishi Raj Talukdar uba James ke Sangma ula ai jingero ka Shillong Cricket Association na markani ka sunjam ka babha ban kentiu ka cricket ha ka jila ula ong baga Meghalaya ka dan shibun ki samla ki bran sam ha ka cricket henry ki dang don kam ya ki la jingile kai bat ka jingte ka rukam tray kam ecosystem ban pen roi ki ula benrap ru baga Meghalaya Cricket Association kan ai ka jing kershan purai ka ni ka limpung na marga long ka kabu ka babha ban iron sani ka samla nong ile kai bakin yoklan ban pen la ka sap ban kiu sheprang ha ka kam cricket Shushu ulo ong baka MCE kadang tray ru ban pen klan ka jing tray lang baka Board of Control for Cricket in India BCCI ban pen poi ka jing tay jing roi jing ka cricket shabaro ki district ka jila nang bi ka samla nong ile kai kin yo jing rab bala jing ile kai ka bakhamba kani ka liet PA Sangma Memorial T20 Tournament kalakmi linti ban long ka lempung ka bakring pat ba bar ka ba ai sim ya ki samla nong ile kai ka jila ban ya chaprang ha ka kam cricket
First of all, I'd like to thank you all for being here this evening. This is part of the event that we have this year, that is the first T20 tournament that we'll be having in the name of our leader, as a tribute to our leader and also to promote cricket here in this region. We are hosting this tournament, which will be starting from Monday. And the name of this tournament is late PA Sangma Memorial T20 Tournament. Altogether, there are 20 teams participating in this tournament, 18 teams from Shillong and 2 teams from Guwahati. So this tournament, yes, is being organized by the Shillong Cricket Association and in collaboration with the PA Sangma Foundation, who is the main sponsor for this tournament. We are giving a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees for the winners and 50,000 for the runners-up. So yes, we are happy that Sir James also is here. He is the eldest son of late PA Sangma and also he is the president of the Meghalaya Cricket Association. So, and also for this tournament, we have a marketing partner, that is Mr. Siraj Talukdar and Mr. Prashal Sharma from Prithvi Event and Sports, who is from Guwahati. They will be doing the marketing part for this tournament. So at this time, I'll just hand over to Sir over here to give a brief about this tournament.
As Maki has just mentioned, that the Shillong Cricket Association, in association with the PA Sangma Foundation, is organizing this T20 tournament. And at the very outset, I'd like to first of all thank the president and all the executive members of the Shillong Cricket Association for this wonderful initiative that they are taking. And would like to also, from our side, not just as the president of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, but also part of the family and also part of the PA Sangma Foundation, would like to extend all our support to this tournament, which I believe will not just give an opportunity to our youngsters playing cricket but will also help in many other ways to establish cricket and to make sure that many of our players, cricketers get an opportunity. The ecosystem is developed, and for that, I think we have to really thank the Shillong Cricket Association, not just for this tournament, but for all the different tournaments that they've been organizing. Kudos to them for taking so much initiative, and I'm very thankful to each and every member of the Shillong Cricket Association. So the PS Sangma Foundation is extending its support, financially, but as the Meghalaya Cricket Association also, we also extend our support to the Shillong Cricket Association for this wonderful tournament that they're organizing.
Compare movement, talking about the players nowadays with the participation, I mean with the affiliation of the MCA with the Board of Control of Cricket in India, BCCI. So the our local players get the chances and the opportunity to take part in the BCCI games, and also from there also they are earning. So this is the thing that has led to the I mean. For the players to come up and practice hard and try to get into the team. And yes, comparing to the years with say 10 years before and now, because today a lot of cricketers have come up, especially the local people of this state. Last this season itself, like the under 23 men have just won the played a group, but the BCCI format. So uh, I mean, there are different categories, and there are some of the categories they are there in the elite group playing against the good teams from the mainland India, and yeah, but some of the category they are in the play group, and they are performing well.
So, categorization is one aspect of things, right? But then that should not be seen as any kind of benchmark. What we need to really stress on is to create an environment for our players, to also provide them with necessary infrastructure and the support system in terms of having good coaches, in terms of having good physios. Um, we as a state, Meghalaya, it's always that the intention of us is to always make sure that we can improve upon whatever we already have. We only have two BCCI approved grounds. One is the Shillong Cricket Association ground that we have outside, and the other one is the Alokri cricket ground, which is in Tura. But there is a need to have a full-fledged stadium. There is a need to have at least a minimum of one cricket ground in every district. That is what should be ideal. And also, practice pitches and practice nets so that our players can play not just during the season but also during off season, during the rain. So these should be all weather practice nets. So, so this kind of infrastructure is urgently and very badly required. So, that is, the Meghalaya Cricket Association and all the district cricket associations jointly we are working out a plan to see how we can all come together and to fructify that kind of vision that we have for the state. But having said that, there is a lot of talent in Meghalaya. A lot of talent. We have seen that from various performances in the past, where we've even had an opportunity to defeat Mumbai, which is a very strong team in the past. So, so that really goes to show how much of talent that we have in the state. Now it is incumbent on us as an association, and the fact that now that we have a wonderful opportunity where we are affiliated with the BCCI for the past 7 years now, and to take that advantage of that opportunity and to make sure that we work in tandem in close association with the BCCI, and we act as a bridge or a facilitator to ensure that the infrastructure, the development needed for really bringing up cricket goes to all the districts. So that kind of cohesion and collaboration is what we intend to do, and then the sky is the limit, because as I said,
So,
the trophy.
and plus the finals of the super division of the SCA.
The Media Cricket Association, like it's mandatory that every district association have its own academy. So there are 12 association in MCA. So I mean, like now, apart from the private academies, so 12 academies are there across each and every district.
A very good question, because there is a viewership for it. And I'm very sure that as a parent or as a relative of any of the young cricket players that we have, they would all love to see live streaming of all these games happening, especially during tournaments, because it's a highly competitive atmosphere when competitions take place. So this is something that we are closely examining in terms of how we can now start to broadcast live streaming of all the matches. Of course, YouTube live streaming is there, and of course Facebook. Some people voluntarily they do it, but then to systematically organize these kind of things, that is something that is in discussion with many of our district associations.